ebino kolera yeka debikoraga na covid abasawo bebereremu eddagala bamire ku Cipro na Picrox ye prevention esokera ddala okwambala masks osobola okwambala masiki yo ng'obulwadde obikidde muli munda ekiba kirungi nomira Picrox Cipro Brufen ne Prednisolone kale kiba kirungi amanya inze sex president kambambale masiki nze njambala bulungi sekomunetegereze bulungi nze sex president wamabagamba nze akulya sex munsi
ani yakuwa president
mukama Katonda nze nkulya sex munsi yonna kati mwabatumba kubiriza okubanga ati buli kanaku kwempeke enyeze enjogedde ati somera empeke emwemwe mukwezo omira Cipro emu Picrox emu Brufen emu ne Prednisolone emu kyo kikuyamba okubeera ng'oli steady ng'olina amaanyi bulungi nga nze wondaba ate corona wajja kuyitako buyisi takuyingirira munda muli oba okaze bulungi okiraba kubanga si oyo corona is a airborne disease kati ayita mu mpewo kati oba akuyingidde nakusanga omira kumira kuddagala eri ayitako buyisi ezoba antibiotics kakiba kiwina oba nti omira eddagala eryo bulungi era abantu bonna bakubiriza okumira eddagala ye prevention esookerako ddala era government alibadde ewulira information yange nebanga abantu ebakubiriza okubanga olina okutambula ne Cipro mu nsawo Picrox Brufen ne Prednisolone bulungi nnyo ku kifuba ekifuba ekyo wekiwona corona wayingira akuyitako buyisi kati abo abafa bemuwulira balina nnyo emputtu era n'omukulembeze gwanga nkimu yali nemuyitamu abanga abasawo abasinga ate n'abajjanjaba abantu corona babawe eddagala ery'amaanyi bagenda babawe eddagala erya layisi buno obuddagala obwa wansi ati omuntu mukube kwinini ow'amaanyi awone corona okiraba kati tubakubiriza okubanga abantu sex president abantu nikumpawo zeggwanga era tukubiriza abantu okubanga mwambale masiki yekikulu masiki ki ekikulu mugende mu pharmacy mugule empeke ezo kanzibabulya onziramu omundi ogusembayo genda ogule Cipro Picrox Brufen ne Prednisolone kwezi empeke omirako empeke emwemwemu buli kanaku kiba kirungi noba nti oba w'amaanyi enganzi corona wayinga olona wajja kuyitako obuyisi obeera jjinja enimu ate baasi ate mundeesi kale ate kambabuli ekiro temugeza temuli enimu za bulabe mbakubiriza kubanga is a citrus acid zinafuya omubiri abantu abasinga temukimanyi
Mr. President.
temuli amenvu
Mr. President.
kati muna ngenda mukatale kutunda ate nsikole nina okulya ekyemisala nekyegulu bino ngenda kubitunda ali mukatale
ebyo byotugambye bituweeko mu luzungu osooka n'amannya then otubuulire
I'm sex president I'm sex president by respect and by name is Malaika. I advise people plus the government also of the other world because I'm a sex world president. It's better. I advise other people in the world at least the best prevention of corona. You go in the pharmacy, you buy the tablets which I'm going to mention above. For Cipro, Picrox, Brufen and Prednisolone. On each tablet, at least take one. On one of them, at least take one every day, so that you can prevent corona. You become strong, and if the corona comes, you just bypass on you. So it's better. That one is the best prevention of corona. I can even show you the medicine I'm talking of. Gabriel. This one is the medicine I'm talking of. This one is called Brufen. You take one at least every day. Even this. This one is over. This one is Prednisolone. You take one on this one. Let me bring for you. you'll become strong. Where is police? Sorry. Yeah. Now I'm starting now. This one is predatory. You take at least one every day. This one is Ampiclox. You take one every day. The best prevention of corona. I advise the whole world. Because me, I'm the sex president. I can't be attacked by corona because I take this medicine. This one is Ampiclox, Cipro.
So you were a doctor by profession?
By profession from heaven. Me, people they say that I'm mad, but I'm giving them the best secure to secure their life because I can't leave them
who?
As the sex president, Malaika. So this one is called Cipro. You take one. Now there are 3 types. This one you take one. You take one. This one this one is prednisolone. This one is Ampiclox. You take one, and Brufen. You take one at least every day. Or you pass 2 days, then you take. You can miss 2 days, then you take. That is the best prevention of corona. If corona just comes, it will find you when your body is already protected. It has antibiotics into your body.
Now I'm seeing steel wire
this
on
one is my
head.
business.
What
There are many
is
issues
all
about corona. Then this one is business. I'm going to the market. I'm going to work. So it's better.
Which market? Because
I'm going to Nakasero.
Most of the markets are closed.
Yeah, I'm going to
Which
Nakasero.
I'm
going to Nakasero, please. Yeah, then from Nakasero I go to Owino. You understand? So you pass that information to the government, to the people. Before they, and I hope that they are giving vaccines which are killing people. I don't know. So so the government mind about the vaccines, but especially me what I've discovered.
You mean it's the government which gives the
I've heard
wrong medicine that end up killing people?
Don't talk about wrong information about the government.
As if you said
I've just heard that some of the vaccines kills people. But I advise people the best protection, the best prevention. At least you take this one every day. You take Ampiclox 1, Cipro 1, Brufen 1, and prednisolone 1 to protect your body. If the corona comes, just pass it. Because you put on your mask and whereby in you. You understand? So I thank you. How can I call you? The social media people. Yeah, I thank you for listening me. And you pass that information to the people. You pass that information to the government and health workers. Because some of them, they don't the prevention they are giving people. Some of them they are still getting corona, and the number of corona people is increasing and people are dying because they don't know the best prevention of corona. You advise them to take this tablet. Okay. It's very good for the inner parts of your body. So
why do you put on white?
I'm an angel. And I'm an angel who came to save the world.
Hey.
Yeah, that's why. I'm a peaceful man. That's why I can talk.
Angels have got names. What's your name?
Angel Gabriel the second.
Your Angel Gabriel?
The second. You add the one the second, the first is there. This one is a serious note.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
And your real names are?
Malaika.
No, your real names.
All names are mine because all names are for God.
Malaika.
Me, I'm an angel. I don't isolate names. Your name is mine, and this one's name is mine. I can be Eric, I can be Musa, I can be Joseph, I can be everything.
I meant the traditional name.
Which? And we have many traditional names. All traditional names are mine. So don't mind about isolation. You know, some of the traditional names, they cause isolation in people. I can call them Uganda, they end up isolating me. I can call myself a Muteso, they end up isolating me. So all traditional names are mine.
Okay, to be in brief,
Yeah.
Which part of the country do you come from? which region do you come from?
Me, I
Is
come
it
from
Central?
Kampala. I'm born from Kampala.
from
I work
where?
in Kampala. Everything is from
Malaika,
Kampala.
you're born from where?
Okay, bye. Malaika, bye.
I'm from Congo.